Good afternoon. This is a video about V7. Someone had asked, said that they struggled a little bit with this one, so I thought I'd make a quick video on just how to do this. So V7 is how you graph circles from given equations. So if I'm looking at this equation right here, the first thing I need is a center, and since this is x squared plus y squared, my center is going to be 0, 0. So you plot your point right there. Now you ask yourself for your radius. Since the r squared is 25, the radius has to be the square root of that, which is 5. I'm going to count out 5, make another point, and there's your circle. Let's do another one. Center here again is 0, 0. My radius will be 7 because the square root of 49 is 7. So I'm going to go out to 7, make another point. All right, center here, 0, 0 again. Square root of 16 is 4, so I'm going to go out 4, make a point. Again, center would be 0, 0. Square root of 100 is 10, so my radius will be 10. Center is 0, 0. Square root of 4 is 2, so my radius is 2. All right, so here, center for the x value is going to be 0. For the y value will be positive 8, because if I pull the center out, the signs have to change. So 0, positive 8, that's my center. Radius will be 1 because the square root of 1 is going to be 1. Okay, so here the x value will be negative 6, y center will be 0. So I go negative 6, 0. My radius is 3 because the square root of 9 is 3. So I go just count 1, 2, 3 blocks. So here my center will be negative 2, 0. And the radius is the square root of 64, which is 8. So I'm going to count 8 blocks. Now you can go to the right, you can go up, to the left. So I'm going to go up here to 8. Let me see, center is going to be 0, positive 2. And your radius is the square root of 16, which is 4. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Center will be 0, positive 7. So 0, positive 7 right there. Your radius is the square root of 1, which is just 1. Okay, center here would be positive 3 and negative 9. So 3, negative 9. And we see our radius is just 1 again. Center here would be negative 9, positive 9. So my x value is negative 9. My y value would be positive 9. And the radius is just 1 because the square root of 1 is 1. Right, center would be positive 4 and negative 3. So positive 4, negative 3 for the y value. My radius will be 3 because the square root of 9 is 3. So I count out 1, 2, 3 blocks. Let me see here. Center is negative 2, positive 3. So negative 2, positive 3. Radius is going to be 1. And that puts me above 80. All right, so this took about 4 minutes to get to 80. You were literally just identifying the center. And as far as the radius, you just have to take the square root of whatever sits here, you know, with the r squared as supposed to go in the equation.